Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and today I'm going to be explaining how to do the pseudocode activity. So first things first, make sure you're in the correct curriculum. It should have a red banner at the top and say Introduction to Programming with Virtual EV3, Virtual and Physical Edition. This is not something you're going to run into in the first 2 units. However, once you get to the sensor unit, all of these are virtual activities, and then you get to the pseudocode. So let me go ahead and open that up. So this is something that you need to read. It explains how programmers plan their programs, okay? And it's a step-by-step process. That's what iterative means. It starts with step 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And here is an example of how to do a pseudocode for phishing. So these are the original steps, and then you get more detailed and then more detailed. And then there's a pseudocode activity. So you get to select one of these activities, any of these, or if you want to do something different, please let me know. And then you're going to explain, just like they did here, how to do that activity. Now here is a blank pseudocode PDF. If you want to open that up and print it, you can. I've also printed several copies of these. They're by the door in robotics. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you mine. So I did a pseudocode to feed the dog. Let me go ahead and rotate it. Okay, that's not rotate. Where's rotate? There it is. Okay, so I did one to feed the dog, which kind of means you guys can't, unless you feed the dog differently, yours should not look like this. But these are the basic things we do when we feed the dog. We clean out the water bowl, we fill it with clean water, we clean the food bowl, and we fill it with food. And then you can see it got a little bit more descriptive. Take the bowl to the sink, wash out the bowl, fill the bowl with water, take the bowl to the sink, wash, okay, dry food. And then it got even more, and you can see I just made it to iteration 2, and then some of these I did in iteration 3, like how to wash out the bowl, turn on the water, rinse out the bowl, fill fill with 1 cup of dry food, put the wet food in, etc. So this kind of should explain, and I'm going to post this on Schoology in the student resources section so you can see it and you can use it if you want to. But I think that is about it. How do I get out of this? I think that's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know.